Hey, what is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat if the request error is popping up. So to play Hamster Kombat, it's not on the Play Store. You might see something like that if you type on Hamster Kombat. You're going to see a fake one over here. It's not that. What you want to do is you need to have Telegram, and of course, it's on the Telegram app. So once you find Hamster Kombat, as you can see, it has over 155 million users. So once you see this bot, type /start, and once you do that, a play button will appear. So if you tap on the play button, it's going to bring you to the Hamster Kombat app, right? So once you start loading up, this is where the error appears. So I'm going to show you a screenshot of the error. So how do you fix this? There are a few things you can do. First, you need to check on your Wi-Fi, right? You need to check on your Wi-Fi settings if you have strong Wi-Fi. If not, you might have issues. Another thing you can do is go to your Play Store and go to Telegram, right? So type Telegram and see whether or not your Telegram has an update. And if it does have an update, you update that. Next, the last thing you can do is go to your browser, right, on your phone, hold the Telegram app like so, and here you're gonna see select, right? Actually, no, it's not it. So anyway, another way, because I think that's for Apple, but for Android, all you need to do is go to settings, and in settings, you go to the apps. And apps, just search for Telegram, right? Tap Telegram, like so. This is for Android, by the way. And then after this, go look to the storage area, and here, all you need to do is clear cache, clear data, and then fire up Telegram again, and that will be good to go. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.